Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. This morning I am going to show you Jambo House here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And just in case you didn't know, there are two places here. So Animal Kingdom Lodge is one whole resort, but it's broken down into two places. Kidani Village, which I am not showing you that today, but keep an eye out for a link below, and Jambo House. And this is where we are going to explore their beautiful lobby. The way Disney really immerses you in everything that they do is amazing. The details are all there, and the details here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House, are beautiful. Pictures and videos really don't do it justice because when you walk in, you're in awe. The lighting, all the details. Look at the window all the way in the back. It's grand, it's beautiful, and it has these bronze medallions throughout, which I'll show you another one later on in the video. And when you enter Jambo House lobby, you are actually entering on the third floor, not the first floor. And when you enter, and if you start on the left, you will first see bell services. After bell services, you will then see reception and concierge / check-in if you chose not to do it online. So we're going to continue the lobby just following to the left all the way around. I didn't exactly video it that way, so it was extra fun putting this together. It was like a puzzle. In addition to just being a grand, beautiful lobby, they have hundreds of African artifacts on display throughout Animal Kingdom Lodge. So it's not just in this lobby, you can also find it throughout the property, and you can find more African artifacts over at Kidani Village. So you really do get a museum-like experience when you're here at Jambo House and Animal Kingdom Lodge as a whole. And yes, they do have all the artifacts protected, as you can see, and each artifact does have a little card at the base to give you a little bit of information about the piece. For the Jambo House lobby specifically, you will find most of the artifacts together in the center. So they'll be down the middle, and they'll be on each side of the lobby. So there really is a lot to look at if you're waiting for your room to be ready or you just want to check it out. There is a lot to see. And right in this Jambo House main lobby, they also have a spot for kids to watch cartoons. And let's be realistic, us adults would probably be enjoying the cartoons with them, especially if Bluey is on. If I had the time and energy, I could have done a video just on all of the wood carved details. From the lobby to the rooms throughout the lodge, it is amazing that the talent someone has to do this. And I look at it and I feel extremely untalented, but I can at least video it and share it with all of you. As we continue to go around and right past the concierge reception area, you will see this little desk, and that is where you can learn more about DVC. And this opening right to the left of that DVC information desk is Sunset Overlook. So not only is this another seating area with more artifacts, and a place to sit and relax, they actually have an overlook to see the savanna. So you will go out these doors, and right outside, you can, again, see animals that might be right there. There was an ostrich when we went outside to look, and even when I stayed here years ago, I've never been out here. So this was my first time going out here to see it. And my youngest son was very excited, and he was also very excited to finally see the ostrich. And keep in mind, you might not see the ostrich when you come. You might see another animal, or you might see multiple animals. It really all depends on what the animals are in the mood for, whether or not you get to see them. And continuing our tour of the lobby, next up is the mask. Yes, this is a mask. I do not want to butcher the name, so I'm not going to say it, but I actually did look up how to pronounce it, but let's not. Look how beautiful this is. And the fact that it's a mask is amazing. The colors, the details on this, it's gorgeous. I really liked it. This is probably the centerpiece of the Jambo House lobby, is this mask right here. And you can also read all about the people, where it was made, how it was made, and really get a glimpse into their culture. And here is another brass medallion. This one is here in the back of the lobby. Now, pay attention because they will have activities, and it is free, where you can do medallion art. So be sure to check out times for that. We missed it every time, but maybe next time we go, we hope we get to see it. Here is the view of the back of the lobby. The window, floor to ceiling. Again, look at those lights. It's beautiful. All the detail. We did not go on the suspension bridge. Again, years ago, my husband and I did. It is located on the 5th floor. And of course, they do have, a fire pit. If you go down these steps, that is where you will find the outdoor fire pit. And if you keep walking, you will also see another savanna viewing spot. So be sure to check that out if you have time. Now, as we're making our way back to the front of the lobby, here is the indoor fire pit. And it's a nice spot just to sit, chill, and relax. And don't worry, even if it's on, you won't get too hot. It's just ambiance. It looks nice. And of course, look at the top of the fire pit, even the detail that they have up there. Nothing is left untouched. Now this part looks a little backwards to you, but I am headed towards the front of the lobby. This lobby bridge will be located on the right-hand side of the lobby when you walk in. So again, if you remember, I said earlier, I didn't view it in that one direction, so it was like a puzzle piece. Here off to the right of the bridge is Victoria Falls Lounge. Again, something we didn't have time for, but it's a great lounge. From what I heard, everybody has always told us it's one worth checking out. And down here in this little area below the walkway and stairs is the BOMA waiting area. Now they have a really good buffet. Keep an eye out for a link below. And we're continuing our tour. And of course, both sides of the lobby and down the middle, they have artifacts. Here are some more. Again, they are protected in these cases, and they all have a little bit of information about each of the items. Now we are basically right back at the front of the lobby where you walk in, and we are near the gift shop. By the gift shop is the map of Animal Kingdom Lodge, and it also has another side where it gives all of the dining options. Again, keep a lookout for that video because that we explored. If you cannot use the stairs, of course, they have elevators. And this is right next to the gift shop. There might be a walkway in between, so almost right next to the gift shop. Now, when you walk into the lobby from the main entrance, this gift shop would be on your right-hand side. It is huge. Kidani Village also has a gift shop, and it is not nearly as big. So regardless of where you're staying on property, check out Jambo House gift shop. You will not be disappointed. And if you're just visiting, be sure to check out the gift shop. And in addition to, of course, Disney merchandise, Animal Kingdom Lodge merchandise, they will have just little trinkets, wood-carved items, which are always our favorite. They will have some alcohol choices, some food choices, necessities that you may have forgotten to pack, and of course, candy. They do have bathing suits, swim diapers, a little bit of everything. They have you covered if you need it, and also things that you don't need. And the best thing here at Jambo House is being able to see the wood carver. It's amazing. Be sure to check out the times. It tends to be in the late afternoon, early evening, but always check. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.